Good morning, plumbers. As you know, we do everyday plumbing, the good, the bad, and the ugly, all while training this guy and his brother, the two apprentices, the trade. Today's adventure is an American Standard Activate toilet. We're going to replace the actuator assembly. A brand new toilet came with a broken assembly, and we finally got it from American Standard, and we're going to go ahead and install this. Stay tuned and we'll see you inside. You're going to recognize this job. We put this in, I don't know, a couple months ago, and we finally got the part. The actuator came broken, so we're going to go ahead and replace that. So this one, rush. Let's see what we can do here. Oh, yeah. All right. Okay. Shall I read the instructions, or should I just go ahead and do it?
If you're proud.
Give me the paperwork. Let me just double check something. Reinstall. Pre-assembled. It comes pre-assembled. There's the foam sleeve, the O-ring.
Comes with battery.
Yeah, it comes with a battery pack. No sealants required. Align the shim with the actuator with the square facing up. Square facing up. Alright, that's that.
Where do you put these in?
Oh, that's cute. It's like a little. Here we go. No, you know what I'm gonna do? Oh, it all comes together. You know what? Yeah, let's hold on here. Let's just do it here. Oh wow.
Yeah, that's the battery thing.
Okay. Yeah, put them batteries in like they're supposed to go. I like this. I like to not use it. This way he has a backup. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Or how do you just take that one out? Yeah.
Now we'll just put all new in, dude.
Yeah.
Okay? All new. I'll save this one in case this goes bad.
Yeah.
This is the old one. Keep that. This wire goes like so. Like that. Oh, there's the O-ring. Okay. Like so. This pops out like that.
Some of this one's old.
Yeah, it's actually broken. It's actually a swipe. You put your hand in front of it and it flushes. Hands free, or you know, whatever they want to call it. All right. This. Oh, it's made by Fluid Master. Okay. Oh. No. That's that. Is the battery pack ready to go?
Yeah, you slip the top off.
Slip this right on, right? Well, I know that plugs in there. So let me slip this on like so, like the other one was. Snap. And this snaps on here like so. Kind of crazy looking, but there's that. O-ring and all. This slides back down. Alright. So flush this or let me flush it and then turn it off. Did you put this in as per instructions?
As I saw it, I put it back the way it was.
Oh, okay. Alright, cool. Because that's that. This comes in like so. See, this is all stuff to me that can break. You know what I mean?
Just like.
I mean, batteries inside a toilet tank.
Oh yeah, I
A
know.
little crazy. A little crazy. You know what I mean? Let's see if it flushes.
Yeah, just flush it.
Yeah, but I flush it by the button. It has a sensor. Alright, so we're going to wrap this around like so. There's a little area for the battery to cut the wires come out. Alright. And boop. And boop. Huh? Oh, it did light up. Alright, there we go. Turn the water back on. I want to make sure this lid's on good though. I'm not digging on this lid right here. Oh, that's better. Alright, cool. Alright, much better. Come on, fill up. Let's go. American Standard Activate Toilet. I'm going to save this battery pack. There we go. Put this here, lid back on. There it goes, hands free. Alright, we're out. Hold on. And there goes another satisfied customer.